This is a one-owner 2002 GMC Sierra extended cab step side, 139,000 miles in gorgeous, wonderful condition. Not a door ding, rock chip on this thing. Super, super clean. Emerald green. New tires, full maintenance records, tons of maintenance records. One senior owner. The SLT, so it has leather. Truck needs absolutely nothing, rust free. All four doors open up, leather seats, power seats, no rips in the leather. 139,000 miles, no sagging headliner. Perfect Carfax report. Tow package. So this is a 2002 GMC Sierra step-side extended cab, two-wheel drive, one owner, 139,000 miles in absolutely wonderful, wonderful condition. Needs nothing.